Well, KZN, you are watching dopest show in KZN, DOP, Deben Online podcast, and my name is Fly Motion. La bese kuvuka umunyu engankathi beyobeka endaweni yokugcina u-Andy Lichile obewaziwa kakhulu ngo-DJ Puno. U-DJ Puno uthinta abantu abaningi endimeni yomculo kakhulu. So nje kwaba nendaba ezibuhlungu ezavela ngaye nje recently sasesiphumile njalo isimemo kuthe kusenjalo. Shout out to uSiv Samfethu ngokuthi with no hesitation kwase kuphume invitation ukuthi wonke ama-artist aye lapha kubo kaBhunu eMlazi ngaseNgonyameni to pay some respect and just to visit and comfort the family. And you won't believe kule next video ngizomkhombisa yona because so many artists ase-KZN afika khona laphayana. Awubuke nje ivideo mfethu ukuthi ubona ngempela ukuthi if ngempela ngase sihlangane sonke sibe nje kuba kade kwenzekile entweni kaBhunu, I feel like everyone ose-KZN angaphakama kube khona injabulo, kube khona nokuphilisana nje kamnandi. Shout out to Sifsa, shout out to Tizozo, because I know Tizozo all the time when izinto ezenzeka kanje, he's the first one to make sure and mobilize ukuthi abantu basheshe nje bayovala umndeni ngoba ibona umndeni nawo sukubaluleka kakhulu esikhathini samanje. But kukhona lapho nje before ngifake ivideo, abantu yazi into eyenziwe amathole funeral is shocking. Abantu abawuvala umlomo. Futhi ngenkathi kiwa kumngcwabo kaBhunu, abantu banotice something. Stay tuned khona ngizokutshela ukuthi yini le. Kodwa nje hayi amathole awababonani. But anyway, nawo amajita evale umndeni wakaBhunu eNgonyameni. Guys, ayikho artist ngicabanga ukuthi ngekho and bakhona vele ade bengekho because labo basuke benemsebenzi endaweni ehlukene because lokufa litsheli you'll never know ukuthi mhlambe ubani uyoshona nini. Lapha khona abo Donkey Boy who's currently going to have a event ekhona la kaMashu ngomhla ka 4 or 5. Yes, bekhona Quality Biyela, bekhona Momadanoni, bekhona Bongo DJ bafethu Gold Max Q, everybody angeke ngibaqede mfethu baningi kakhulu. Shout out to all amagenge mfethu to making sure ukuthi ayavela lapha yana. Let's continue. Amigo was there. Irania was there. Beast was there.
Mina ufuna ukuthi ngibe yini? Mina ngashumayela
Silverlock was also there.
Ngeke kodwa ngide nemali nje. Ngibile ngifake ukira nemali.
Thank you, Sif. Thank you, Machita. Thank you, Bolova. Thank everybody was there. Tunki was there. Tunsi was also there. Shout out to Plex Pino Mazin. And for the first time, I mean, I never see him in such parts. Shout out to you, Makai. But the thing is, I'm going to teach him his Fazani, or maybe I'm an artist is Fazani, or my Gold Max was there, Q was there, you know, and Fetus Bonga Kulu, Fetu Sifsa Galento de Abayenzi. Sokhumbula ukuthi uPunu hayi ngoba be-artist kakhulu uma usubheke kahle kahle kulesi sithombe la you can see uBeast nesigqoko sezathi bese kuthi lo mjida ofake i-shirt noma iskipa esimhlophe noma ijacket I think tracksuit uDJ Bunu lo bese kuba uDJ Masiya laphayana la base bebanjiwe amaphoyisa ngiyakhumbula one time kwakukhona imatch eyayihlongozwe shuthi I don't wanna lie i-idea came I came up with an idea but some other members abaphethe or inhlaka ezayiphethe ama-artists at that time they decided to do it ngenye indlela ofishi kwaboshwa ama-artist amaningi kwakhona nenye ividiyo la sasibona khona uDladla Mshunqisi esingakaze simbone ukuthi kanti uyakwazi ukugijima shout out to uDladla Mshunqisi man hey wayishaya man hey akekho umuntu obalekise waDladla Mshunqisi wathenda mhlambe isonto lonke mfethu ukuthi nje wayibaleka uDladla sizothi ke bafethu dudu emndenini mfethu siphinde sibongele wonke umuntu ophumelelile emgcwabeni because ngifuna ukunikhombisa lento abantu abakhala ngayo ngemathole hayi amathole mfethu hayi and yazi lento yamathole kunabanye abantu ebahlambalazayo kodwa ke yasikho lapho ngizothi nje ukuthi ngene nje endabeni kubhala isolezwe la bathi umunye ububhalwe ebusweni emacikweni akuleli ngesikhathi eyovela kaAndile uDJ Bone Chili esincemeni sakwa BM Lazizolo phakathi kwamaciko bekhona kubalwa umsakazi wokhozi FM olingisa kumalanga wafani ku-SABC 1 uSithandwa Nzuza umculo weKwaito futhi ongusihlalo wenhlangano yamaciko iSipsa eKZN uthi Zozo Zulu DJ Q DJ Sox umculo weKwaito Thukilano umculi weGqomo uDladla Mshunqisi umphathi wezinhlelo usizwe Mdlaloso Goldmax nabanye abaningi lize lashona ke elayizolo abaculi besababaza ukuthi udlule ngempela DJ Bunu wengoma ethi uSweet Wodwa lo yaduma kakhulu ayishaya khona lapha nomthandeni noSK Java Zimningi noMadaniyona uDJ Bunu kuvela ukuthi ushone ngolwesithathu elele nowesifazane abathandana naye umthombo wesolezo uveze ukuthi uDJ Bunu ubuye ebusuku nje ngolwesithathu endaweni ebehlala kuyona emhlanga wangena embedeni kwathi ngehora lesihlanu ekseni watholakala ukuthi angathi akasekho emhlabeni umthombo wesoleze uveze ukuthi uDJ Bunu utholakala ukuthi akasekho emhlabeni usisi athandana naye kodwa seningaze nibhale nalo ukuthi usisi athandana naye usangenaphi usisi athandana naye ngoba phela manje semanzi namnyama la usisi athandana naye uthe uBunu bengumuntu nje ozwakalayo umelele ngoba ngenxa yokuthi ubehonqa kodwa kuthe uma sekuzosokwazakala ukuhonqa kwakhe kwehla wagcina esethula owesifazane kuthiwa iyona into eyamthulisele ukuthi kungani emthusile kungani engasahonqi ngendlela ajwayele ngayo kuyilapho wabona khona ukuthi ayakasekho emhlabeni bese efonela umndeni kanye nabangani bakhe abafike bazobona isimo washo ukuthi ngempela bese kusegcineni kwensuku zakhe sibonge kakhulu bafethu ngicela ukuthi la nginikhombise abangani bakhe ababekade bakhonza kakhulu uBadwanoni DJ Kotini uDanger weBig Nazi nathi indoda enkulu lapha noAndile Chili lo osishile emhlabeni ubeziwa kakhulu ngeDJ Bunu so guys like I tell you now yabona lento enziwa amathole awukwazi ukwenza umngcwabo nje mfethu awukwazi mfethu mfethu awukwazi let me just play this video again and then cela ningitshele kwi-comment section about ideco ya sematholo ukuthi ungayirenka kuyiphi i-level because le deco lena is serious bafethu ibhokisi beligolide everything was gold everything was king everything was majestic awubuke la Uhambe kahle qhawe, uhambe kahle DJ Bunu. Mfethu uyidlalile indima yakho mfethu, you a friend, ubuyibrazo. Angikaze ngikubone uthi nxa komunye umuntu, angaze ngizwe ukuthi khona abantu oke wakaxabana nabo or abantu mhlawumbe kuthiwa wabathathela iy'ngoma zabo or something as that nature. Mfethu uyidlalile indima yakho mfethu, siyabonga kakhulu. All the best. Ayo.